So here is a new update in the salary structure here. So once when defining salary structure, you have different type of deduction optimization which you can do. So if I select this name of employee, I can define the basic salary, so which is very compulsory. Let's say 450, 1, 2, 3. So these are not compulsory. This can be left behind. The date of effect, so you can just put it, let's say January 1st, and then you see here deductions. So I can just add here now cooperative. Let's say yes, 80, 1, 2, 3, 80,000, and then I can add another one, another deduction. So let's call this one welfare, and then which will be 25, 1, 2, 3. So I think that's basically enough, and then I'll just create the salary structure. You see, I never bother to add any other thing. Now you can just click submit, and then approve, which is this approve. So this salary has been approved. So this is it, what we can see in here. All of these are nothing is being deducted in here, so you can see. And then here you have your additional deduction. This is being deducted from the net salary, not the gross salary. Okay, now this part is settled. Now for the payroll, how does it apply on the pay slip? Now this is what we can see confirm in here. If we go to January, let me click January. So if you click January, so let's just click view. So we can view, and then you see it shows up here. Now this is not the one I created now, because I won't process that, but these are the processed one, already processed one. Okay, so yeah, this is how it shows up. And then one other last thing, which is also important, which is in the report. Now in the report, now you see this is already being grouped. Select the type, report type. So for report type, you can generate or any of this report. Tax remittance, multi-task states, group them state by state. And then pension remittance. Now this pension remittance is being grouped based on the insurance each of the employee belong to. Now this is what we can see here now. Now you see, so any employee under this access will be listed in here, and then there, of course, this is the contribution being deducted, and then the total amount to pay is what we can also see in here. Sorry, the total amount is this one. Yeah, okay, it's just one employee. Okay, yeah, just one employee, and this one is also one employee, nothing to deduct here. So, and then here we see numerous employee, but these guys now have no PFN, yeah, pension and PIN, so that's why it's showing unassigned in here. So yeah, this is basically it on how you add up all of those additional deductions, how the system automatically deduct from the net salary, not the gross salary, because the gross salary, all of this deduction, the pension, the pay and all is being deducted from the gross salary, but additional deduction is being deducted from the net salary. So you can take it, for example, you pay an employee which is the net salary every after deduction, and that employee needs to now contribute some kind of quota. So instead of the employee bringing back that money to you, so you're automatically deducting it from the payroll. So this is basically what just happened in that salary structure which we have in the additional deduction. Now again, there's something you also need to understand. You see, the system automatically show, even while creating the salary structure in here, as you're entering the price, as you're entering the amount, 600, 1, 2, 3. So as you're entering the deduction, the system automatically show you, let's see, 70, 1, 2, 3. So you see, the system automatically show you now deduct from net salary, not from gross, so yeah. And then why every other one that has to do with pension, these are standard pension, payee and all being deducted from the gross salary. So this is what we can see in here. I hope this will be helpful.